video, we're going to talk about battery protection. And the new software has definitely has new things that you need to see. So I'm going to go to the scroll down, go to the gear icon, press on that. You're going to go to this search indicator right here, and we're going to type in battery protection. Okay, select that, and then you have the blue here. Hit that. Now, what we want to do is, and the explanation is very interesting, you want to turn this on. Now, people say have it on maximum for the battery protection, and the reason is that the battery is going to be charged to 80% on this one here, and that it won't go higher than 80%. And the theory is that you're leaving a little bit of headroom there so the battery can operate and not be overcharged, because you basically, when you're charging the phone, most of the time it's going to continue the charge, because the phone is going to register at 100% and then drop down to like 99, 100, 99, 100. So the theory is it's basically charging up and down while you're sleeping, and that's not good for the battery. You want to be up, charge the battery up, and charge it almost all the way down, and you want to be very consistent, and that's very helpful. This option here helps you out with that. There's an adaptive, which I'm not really too keen on, and I really don't want to get into that one. You can read it for yourself. Okay. The basic one is basically saying that you're going to charge your phone basically when you go to sleep or in the middle of the day or whatever it is, and then the phone will get to 100% charge, and then while it's still plugged in, it's going to turn off, and it's going to drop down to like 95%, and then it'll kick in and then recharge up to 100, kick off, so that you're not actually overcharging or overfilling the battery. And using the basic mode, actually using any of these at all, actually will help the longevity of your battery life. And you're going to say, no, that's not true, and all this crazy stuff. I'm not going to get technical with you guys, because basically this is 100% true. It just depends on how much you use your battery throughout the day and what kind of battery reserve that you need to run throughout your day. So I'm going to choose the basic, and when the phone comes stock to you, it's going to be off, and it's going to look like this. Simply swipe the top button here to the right, and it turns on whatever you want. It turns on the basic mode, I think, first, and that's the one that I'm going to use. And it's just that simple. Once you swipe it on, you can just go backwards, and it's already set. So we can go back to the battery protection just to see that, and there it is right there. So hope that helps you guys out. Have a great day.